Hey guys, it's Lexi. For those of you who don't know, and for those of you who didn't, welcome back to our YouTube channel, period. So, basically, y'all seen the freaking title. So, today, it is my mom's birthday, or whatever. And, you know, my mom didn't want a cake, or cupcakes, or cookies, or whatever y'all want to call it, whatever. So, she actually chose this. And we're going to be baking her, well, me and my dad are going to be baking her the salted caramel brownie, and she loves these, and we're gonna make bacon for her, and to be a little, you know, special or whatever, we're also gonna put these candles in the brownie, you know, when it's done or whatever, you know. Yeah, my mom's turning 34, so yeah, you know. Okay, sorry y'all. I got on a flashlight. Okay.
Okay.
Like, keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Alright, stop. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. You did. I was trying to sing it, but. Woo!
Yay! Can I have a piece of brownie now?
Hey, also, it is past the 27th, which was my mom's birthday. I better wish her a happy late birthday in the comments. Yeah. I'm gonna be looking, so I'm gonna see. Anyway, but I should have been posting this video, but I haven't. But I wanted to make this like a half mini birthday vlog and like a half, like, you know, just doing something that day. But that never even happened, so it's about time for me to go ahead and post this video. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and post this video today, the 31st. So my calendar is already set. Oh, y'all can't even see that. My calendar is already set for next month. I am ready to go, babes. I'm going to be recording a whole new vlog in the beginning of the month. So I need to go ahead and get this video on my phone so I can have room so I can do that video for you guys. So yeah, I forgot to record making her dinner and giving her her gifts, but she loved everything and the food was bomb. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna put in a thumbnail the food. I've already made that before, but I'm gonna put it in the thumbnail. So yeah. Anyway, and the brownies was bomb, y'all. Anyway, so yeah, that's in this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, press that notification button down below, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next YouTube video, babes.